Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech. If today is your first time watching my video, please subscribe, like, share and subscribe guys. Thank you. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make high voltage transformer. This is the high voltage transformer, and we can get this inside our television. We have it inside television, our TV at home. So here is the flyback transformer guys, and as you can see I have 505 ton here. I have it here guys. So we have our MOSFET. See, this is the gate, drain and source. So we have our capacitor as well. This is the capacitor, the battery we are going to use, and we have resistor. You see, I've connected it to the gate. Here is our resistor. So let me explain how to do this now guys. So guys, let me explain how to connect this correctly. So as you can see, here is our primary winding, and it is 505 ton. This is the first 5 and another 5 ton, and this is the 0 here. So our secondary winding is inside this transformer, which give us the high voltage that we use for this project. Then we have our N-channel Mosfet. This is our N-channel Mosfet. We have the gate, drain and source. That's why they call it GDS. So we have the capacitor too. I will explain that later. So how to connect this right now guys is, we have our resistor here, 1K resistor. I've already connected it to the gate, and we are going to connect the end of this resistor to the top here. The drain will be connect it here at the end of this wire, and this is our positive, and here is our negative. So we are going to connect the capacitor parallel to the battery or to the flyback transformer parallel. So it is parallel guys. So let's quickly do this and see for ourselves. So guys, I've already completed the circuit. As you can see, this is our negative, and I've connected the resistor to the gate, and it was connected here, and the drain was connected down here. So this is our input positive and input negative guys. So here is it. The circuit has already been completed. So we just need to connect our capacitor parallel. You see, here is the positive and here is the negative. So we are just going to connect it parallel to the input here. Then we connect our battery and see if this thing is working. So but before we do that guys, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So guys, we have already completed the circuit. As you can see, I've already connected the capacitor, and this is our positive. So here is the positive for the capacitor and negative for the capacitor. As you can see, I've connected it to the battery, 3.7 volt battery, 6100 milliamps Lion battery. So I connected it parallel. So this is 3.7 volts, and this is our positive here guys. So this is the switch. You see, I've off it, I've not on it. So this is our positive, and here is our gate. See, here is the gate connected to resistor. Then it was connected here, and this is the drain. It was connected down here, and this is the positive. So here is the negative. Source is the negative. So guys, let's try it and see, maybe this thing will work.
So guys, this is the feedback wire. I connected it from here, so I put it here, and this is our main wire for the secondary winding for the high voltage generator. So let's try it now. Let me run it.
So this is the high voltage transformer, guys. This is how to build high voltage transformer. Okay, our heat sink is hot a little bit, so everything is working fine. Here is the gate. We connected it to resistor, and it was connected here. This is the drain, and it was connected down here. Then this is the source, and we have our negative connected to the battery and to the resistor. So this is our main positive, and I pass it like this, so to the switch, and this is the positive. So please like and subscribe, guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest, and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.